Ever wondered how that little pillow saves your life during a car crash? It's all thanks to airbags, a remarkable piece of safety technology. Airbags serve as a protective barrier, cushioning passengers during collisions and significantly reducing the risk of severe injuries. They are a vital part of any car's safety system, working alongside seatbelts to keep you safe on the road. But do you know how this lifesaver works? Stay tuned to find out. The airbag system, a marvel of science, is simpler than you might think. It all starts with sensors strategically placed in your car. These are the watchful eyes of the vehicle, ever ready to detect a collision. When an accident occurs, the sensors spring into action, detecting the sudden deceleration. The sensors then send a signal to the airbag control unit, the brain of the operation. This unit is always on standby, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. Once it receives the signal, it's game on. The control unit activates the igniter inside the airbag module. This igniter is responsible for initiating a rapid chemical reaction. The chemicals involved, usually a mix of sodium azide and potassium nitrate, react together to produce nitrogen gas. This gas is what inflates the airbag. But here's the truly awe-inspiring part. All of this happens in just about 20 to 30 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. The airbag inflates completely, ready to cushion you from the impact and minimize any potential injuries. And don't forget about the seatbelts. They work hand in hand with the airbags, holding you in place while the airbag does its job. It's a dynamic duo of safety, each part working seamlessly with the other to protect you. In a blink of an eye, the airbag inflates to protect you. Incredible, isn't it? Airbags and seatbelts, a duo that works together to keep you safe. Just imagine them as a dynamic duo, like Batman and Robin. Seatbelts are the Batmans of car safety, always there, holding you in place, ensuring you don't go flying in case of a sudden stop or collision. They prevent you from being tossed around inside the vehicle or ejected out completely. But what about those sudden high-impact collisions? Enter the Robin to our Batman, the airbags. Airbags are designed to work in tandem with seatbelts, providing a soft cushion to absorb the shock and protect you from slamming into the hard surfaces of the car. However, this dynamic duo works best when they're together. If you're not wearing your seatbelt, an airbag alone may not be enough to protect you. So always buckle up to ensure that the airbag can do its job effectively. Remember, airbags work best when you're buckled up. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned about airbags. Airbags are a critical component of your car's safety system, designed to protect you in the event of a sudden stop or collision. They work in tandem with your seat belts, which are the first line of defense. The sensor in your seat is an intelligent piece of technology. It knows when someone is sitting there and ensures the airbag system is ready to go. Now, safety isn't just about having these systems in place, it's also about using them correctly. Make sure you're seated properly, upright and facing forward so the airbag can do its job effectively. And don't forget, regular maintenance is key. Get your airbag system checked routinely to ensure it's functioning as it should. So there you have it. A quick run through of the marvel that is the car airbag system. Next time you buckle up, remember the science that's working to keep you safe. Drive safe, everyone.